What's going on, everyone? Have you ever thought about or wanted to put an Amazon Echo in your car? Well, we got something new for you today, so stick around after this amazing intro. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews to help give you an easy choice. Now, we're talking about Amazon Echo. As you guys know, I've got the Amazon Echo Dot that I recently received. I have plugged it in, I've set it up. I have not fully got into it yet and tested it out to see what it can do, all the different add-ons and things that you can kind of do with it. So that review will be coming up soon. However, for now, like the beginning said, have you thought about putting an Echo in your car? Well, when I registered the Echo Dot and I got everything kind of set up, I received an invitation from Amazon to test out a new product that they have. It's not for sale yet, but they are going to be bringing it to the market. So their new product is called the Amazon Auto. So we're going to be unboxing it today and we'll check it out. Alright, so they fortify their boxes here. And another thing I've noticed, I'm actually kind of surprised that this is all I got for this, because you know, Amazon likes to take huge boxes and put one thing in it, so a lot of wasted space. This is supposed to be a pretty small device that can sit on your dash. I did not get them, but they have adapters where you are supposed to be able to plug it into the vent. I don't think that that's really something that I want to do. I'd rather it be on the dash or something like that. So I'm not going to bother doing the overhead version of the unboxing here. I'm just going to get right into it and see what we got. So when we first open it, you can see there we've got a plug-in. Yeah, I'm kind of torn on these. I know this one's actually kind of nice because right off the bat it gives you two USB plugs. So I can only imagine that you can also charge your phone with this while you're doing it, which is a good thing, because I have a feeling that, I haven't looked into it, but I have a feeling that you're going to have to use the internet off of your phone to make this work, because that's how the Amazons work, right? You have to have internet. So I can only imagine that you have to have internet from your phone, which is fine, but the actual device is really small. I actually am surprised. I knew that it would be small, but this thing, that's quite tiny. You can see there. So as you can see, you've got an audio out port, which I bet you could plug into your radio if you wanted, if your radio supports it. It's got a micro USB on there, so I'm guessing that that's how you power it up. It's got some rubber feet on here to keep it from sliding on the dash, and the thing is super light. I don't think you have a problem with it sliding around. I guess it depends on how you drive, but here's the cord, micro USB, so that makes sense. To USB that you can plug in here. We've got another cord here. Looks like they give you an audio cable, so that's kind of nice. You don't have to go searching around for one, they just give you one. Looks like that's about it. You've got a quick little how-to, and there it is, the Echo Auto, the Amazon Echo Auto. I think I said Amazon Auto earlier, but it's Echo Auto. So this is a nice little stand here. It looks like it might be a double-sided, like a double-sided tape that comes with it. There's an alcohol wipe to wipe your dash. Okay. Oh yeah, looks like the rubber on that is sticky. I don't know if you would want to change this out from car to car. I'm not sure if you can buy extra of these pads. If you can, I would definitely recommend it. I've not found any type of sticky, there's reusable products, or they say they're reusable, but I've found that once, especially in Arizona here with the heat and the dirt, once they stick, if you pull it off, it does not stick very well on anything else. So wherever you stick this, that's where you're going to want to leave it. But it does just have looks like a hard plastic square, which I believe, and it's magnetized. Look at that. So once you stick that double stick off, that's all that will be on there. You can take this in and out of the vehicle. I am only hoping that Amazon will sell extra of these at a nominal fee, obviously. That way I can take this from my car to my truck or my wife's car and not have to buy multiple of these, especially once you get it set up with your settings and the stuff that you want. I wouldn't want to have to do that for multiple vehicles if I didn't have to. But we'll see. Like I said, they're not actually fully on the market yet, so I don't know exactly what their plan is for this. I did purchase this on my own. It wasn't something that they sent to me for free, but it was by invitation only that you can buy these. So there you have it. I'm quite impressed so far. I want to go ahead and get this set up in my car and see what I can do. I bet I've got the automated garage door thing that I can do off of my phone. I'm wondering if I can connect that, and then just as I'm pulling up, tell the Echo to open my garage and see if that happens. I'm kind of curious to see if I can make that work. But that's just some of my personal goals. For now, like I said, we'll get it set up and we'll do a review at a later time. So I want to appreciate you guys for watching another video. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and click the bell so you can get my future notifications of the videos. If you want to follow us on Twitter, it's reviews_easy. You can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at Easy Choice Reviews. And thanks again. We'll see you in the next one.